Welcome back, everybody. We have to do update for DJT because finally jumping 4%. The volume is not bad, 10 million. And of course, we got the only reversal for this month over the 3271. See what's happening, guys. We reversed already 15% in span is just 1 week. So this is a good reaction for DJT because usually DJT just consolidate up and down and be neutral for 2 weeks and even few months. For now, we have 15% reversal in just 1 week. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the price action before Christmas time, before the huge weekend, like we're going to have a bit of time off next week. So the volatility should happen this week, guys. Of course, we have until Friday. We might have the huge jump that we're going to discuss, one level that we have to break before Christmas time, before the next week. So let's dive in and discuss DJT price target before the end of this year, guys, where the price will go, how much percentage we could jump, and of course, where the right jump will happen, because 4% is not the squeeze that we're waiting for since this breakout that happened back in November. So hit the like, subscribe, guys, because we always go live at every day on our YouTube around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, before that, on our Discord and Bitcoin. Today, we discuss mini stocks and we traded two stocks. The first one is LAES and the second one is SIDU. Both of them were great because it's still jumping. And of course, right now, SIDU hitting the all-time high around the $3.88, where we did the short analysis update for our hunter here, where we discuss SIDU breakout after we finish our live streaming today, guys. As you see, we broke the 2.68 and we're right now hitting the $3.88. This short update we did today after we finish our live streaming. And you see what's happened here. We hit the $3.88. And guess what? We have a huge flush down. It was really good trade for us for today because we did how much here? We did 46% in few minutes. So if you want to have access to those day trade, and of course swing trade, because last time we did for AVGO last week, which jumped almost 30% just from the last Thursday, 12th of December. So we do day trade and swing trade on our Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to have access to those alerts that we do almost daily. So for now, the main question, where the price will go for DJT, because now is 4%. We have established a new support over the 3680, and see what's happened here. We held really good for today on Monday over this level in the pre-market, and once the market opened around the 3680, we got a big buyer and the price reverse. The other support where the buyers or the whales bought at was around the 34, and the best dip was around the 32.70 back in 10th of December. And of course, that's what we said. We reverse 1 week from 10th of December until now. Yeah, almost 1 week, 14% up. So what we should expect now? We got one level left. This level where the short add their position after the election. If you remember, guys, after the election, we have a huge selling pressure. And this is where the price never recovered. Let me just show you what happened exactly. On the election day, we reverse, of course, after we broke this trend here, we reverse and we squeeze until almost the 55. After that, we got halted. If you remember, guys, we got halted exactly over the 40, and then we got unhalted down and we never recovered. So now we need to make the short cover, or when the price got halted. Some of you saying this is a manipulation because the price didn't jump up or down more than 10%, and as everybody knows, the volatility halt usually triggered once the price go up or down for any stock 10%. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. We have mini stock here for Nasdaq current trading halts. We got BJDX halted and got unhalted, of course, with the reason code LUDP. DJT have the same reason code that got halted 10 minutes because it jumped up 10% down. We got triggered with LUDP reason halt for DJT. Mini stock get halted today. We got many stocks here, as you can see. Just today, we got over 30 stocks got halted. So this is normal. But for DJT, guys, we just calculated and see that the price went down just 5% and we got triggered with halt. So some of you saying this is a manipulation. However, in the meantime, manipulation or not, the short sellers have to cover up, guys. Eventually, if we saw break for the 39.86 or around the 40. So if we broke this orange line, guys, in pre-market, after hours, I don't care. Once we break this level, we're gonna trigger a massive major jump up. And let me just show you how much we could do here. We could do almost 20%. So this would be a drastic price action jump up. And of course, this will trigger FOMO buying, short seller covering up, and new traders buying once again. And of course, we're gonna have the bag holders. I think this is the only traders will screw the squeeze up like happened before, guys. Let me just show you exactly what's happened here. It's not just short sellers. It's just, to be honest with you here, not short sellers that make the squeeze never happen back after the Donald Trump got elected, but we got shorted because many bag holders here closed their position breaking even, and that's why when the price went down. However, for now, guys, I'm scared about this reaction again, because if we jumped, we might get shorted this time before the 50, around the 46.60. I'm not saying the short seller will win, but I'm saying the bag holders might slow down the squeeze for DJT this time. The same what happened with GameStop after the earnings. We're gonna do a video after that, guys, to discuss GameStop because it's pulling back down. So it's still there is a chance. We're gonna discuss this one. And for Neo as well, guys, it pulled back down after it jumped almost 20% because we have many bag holders. So now the only thing that I want to see once we break the $40 or around the 39.86, even if we have a pullback, guys, around the 46.60, we need to hold over the 40 in order to confirm that the bag holders didn't affect the squeeze, and the buyers this time is more than the sellers around the 46.60. So even if the price went up and went down around the 46.60, this is normal reaction. That's why we have some levels for a pullback. If we pull back, we need to hold over the 40 and then continue for the squeeze, this time around the 54.80. This is, of course, the most important level for DJT to break for this year if we're gonna have a mega squeeze. There's a normal squeeze, of course, once we break the 39.80, and there is the major or the mega squeeze will be triggered after we break the 55. Of course, we're gonna discuss this breakout zone once it happened first on our Discord and Patreon, because over there we do live alert, short alert, much faster to update than the video, as everybody knows. As you can see here, we did it for SIDU for today. It was really good because once we did the short, pumped really quick, and we hit right now the $3.88. So we're gonna do a short analysis update here on Discord once we have this breakout and update you about where to enter, where to exit. And for the meantime, we're gonna do the update live for DJT for tomorrow trade if we broke the 39.86 in the pre-market. If it happened in pre-market, we're gonna do it on Discord and picture, because we always do live streaming every day around 7 a.m. Eastern time. After that, of course, on our YouTube around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.